Saturday experiments for kids. Hi everyone, welcome to Saturday Experiments for Kids. I'm Lyndon and he's
Fraser, my little cute brother.
Okay, so today we're doing Crystal Glowing Science Kit. And you could buy these on Amazon. So they have crystal glowing powder, a seed walk, three of them. They come in different colors. And then there's a magnifying glass. First, you need a boiling cup of water, and make sure you don't get burned. So, and then what you'll have to do is get this. And then you have to dump it in this one. You have to dump it in the boiling water. Make sure you don't spill it. And now you stir it up. Make sure you stir it enough so all the powder is dissolved, like ours. The next step is you take the spoon out. Okay, so now you get your circle cup, or like whatever it's called, a cylinder or something. And then you get it. And then you pour it up to like 160. Put it up right to there. And now you get this. See, and look at that. My little brother already did it. And then you put it in. See, mine is a green, Fraser's a blue. Now we have to wait a minute of 10 days. This is gonna be long. That was part 1. Bye everyone. I hope you subscribe and hit that like button. Welcome back to part 2. So you see that we have all these. I want to make mine like with an ocean with the crystals. So I'm going to pour a little bit of it in here. No, a little more. There. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so now that we did that, now we have a popsicle stick. We hold it and then dump it in this jar. Cool color. Okay, so now that we did it, we get our hands. Well, come here. Just come a little closer. A little more. And then look at, have the magnifying glass, and look at that. Now come over to mine. Aren't they so cool?
That's the end of this experiment.
Bye.
Bye.